Hi guys, I'm back today with 3 polishes from Hit the Bottle Polish. I have Make Mine a Mudslide, I have Moonshine, and I have Hopelessly Devoted, and we are going to test these out. I love all of her polishes. I've never had a bad one. They all stamp beautifully over both white and black, so I don't expect these to be any different, and I love how beautiful these go together. To test them out, I'm going to use this Moira plate. It is plate 33, the Rivalda plate, and I'm going to use this bicycle image here. And let's start with Moonshine, and it is this gorgeous, pearly, almost silvery white. There we go. Gorgeous image there. And oh wow. Ah, love it. Look at this. Look at how beautifully that shows up over the black. See, this is the thing. And then the silvery comes off over white as just like this very light wisp of a silver. And then you get this beautiful pearly white over the black. I've never had any of her polishes that don't show up beautifully, even over dark colors. They're always reliable. If I know anytime I need for sure to know that something's going to show up, I go for a Hit the Bottle polish. All right, let's move on to Hopelessly Devoted. Taupe is a color that I think is a little bit more difficult to get right, and I haven't found a lot of them that I really love, so I'm looking forward to loving this one because I have zero doubt that I'm going to. All right, there is the image on the stamper, beautiful, and let's see how it comes out. And again, absolutely beautiful over both the black and the white there. All right, and now let's do Make Mine a Mudslide. I like mudslides. This is one of my first drinks I ever had as a youngin'. All right, look at that. Oh man, that makes me want espresso. Seriously, bring out the espresso. All right. Gorgeous image. And then, now this is a dark color, so I'll be interested to see how well it shows up over the black. That's, I think, the best I'm going to get on camera. You can absolutely see it without an issue in real life, and I think it'll pop a little bit more when I put the top coat on. And of course, gorgeous and rich over the white. So all right, let me top coat these, and we're going to make sure that they don't smudge, which again, I've never had any smudging problems with Hit the Bottle before. I guess there's a first time for everything, but I seriously doubt this is going to be it. All right, and as always, I do Sèche Vite. And I just stamped these literally like at most 2 minutes ago. So it's not like they've been sitting and allowed to, you know, get all solid or anything. And let's see how we do. As always, I try not to go over the same area more than once. If I need to, I go back and do a second coat. So no smudging, no smearing. Beautiful color. That's Moonshine, and now we'll do Hopelessly Devoted. And see, if you look here, I think you can see here, I have an area where I didn't cover. So what I will do when that happens, if I'm covering my nails, is I just wait until it dries and I go back and do it again. Because if you go over where the top coat is wet, that's when you definitely are going to get a smudge. And then finally, Make Mine a Mudslide. And again, I have a little bit of a divot there, but if it's anything like the other one, it'll go ahead and close up as I'm talking to you. So can you see that a little bit better on the camera? I think you can kind of, I will stick in a picture here when I'm editing because I really want you to know that you can see that brown over the black in real life, and that is not usual with a lot of browns. So, and gorgeous and not a smidge of smudge. So just like with every other Hit the Bottle polish that I have, these are gorgeous. They work well over all colors and they don't smudge. The quality is great. And even with the smaller bottles, like I have a number of these that I just have smaller bottles and they last a really long time. I think probably because you don't have to swatch and re-swatch and make sure you're getting it right, because you just don't get it wrong with Hit the Bottle polish. You know, I mean, not because of the polish, maybe because of me and my operator error, but that's about it. And I've been using Hit the Bottle polishes for literally years now, and they're absolutely my favorite. My two favorite polish brands, one I have that's for creams and one I have that's for shimmers, because Hit the Bottle does mostly shimmers. But I would say absolutely, if I had no other brand, if I could only choose one brand and I never was able to use another brand, it would be Hit the Bottle. So there you go, and thank you for watching. Maybe if I can find my scraper. Scraper, what have I done with my scraper? It was right here. There it is. I found it.